Very good. So let's take a look at another example here. So in this case, we have or. Or means union. Means both sets included, not the intersection, not what we have in common. Okay. Or we're going to include both. So the first set here we have is this. Here, if I want to solve for x, I have to divide both sides by what? -4. And by doing that, I have to change the direction of inequality to its opposite direction, right? Because I'm dividing by negative. So this would be x is greater or equal to 3. Okay? Now the other set we have 6x minus 4, this times 2x. Here if I add 4 to both sides of inequality, I would get 6x less than or equal to 2x plus 4. Now if I subtract 2x from both sides of inequality, I get 4x less than or equal to 4, and then I get x is less than or equal to 1. Right? So this set and this set. In order again to see what would be the solution. Yes, please.
That where you have the 6x, 2x plus 4, didn't you add the plus 4 to that 2x at the top to make it 6x? Okay, didn't you take this, I'm trying to figure it out how to use this. Didn't you take the, how do you do the hand?
Okay, let's start from beginning to see if I made any mistake. -4x less than or equal to -12. Right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I divide both sides by -4. Right?
Yeah.
So I would get x is, I have to change the direction of inequality to its opposite direction. So that give me 3.
Right.
Okay.
And then on the other side, the 6x minus the 4.
Okay, so you're okay with this now, right?
I'm okay with that side.
Okay, so let's look at this one. 6x minus 4 less than or equal to 2x. You add 4 to both sides of the inequality.
Right.
6x.
Isn't it, if you add 2x to 4x, isn't that going to be 6x?
No, these are different terms. This is x, this is 4. You cannot add unlike terms.
Okay, okay.
If this were 2 and 4, yeah, but if it's 2x and 4x, yeah, but it's not. It's just a number.
Okay.
Okay, and then now if I subtract 2x from both sides of the inequality, 6x minus 2x, that would be 4x. They have to be like terms to add. Okay, and divide both sides by 4, I get x is less than 1. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's picture these, graph this here. X is greater or equal to 3. So all the numbers that are larger than 3 would be to the right of 3. And x is less than 1. Right? All less than 1 would be all the number to the left of -1. Now union means you have to include both of these two sets. So if I write this in the interval notation, this would be brackets 3 comma infinity. This one would be from negative infinity all the way to 1, I'm using parentheses because 1 is not included. It looks like this is the choice here that I have to match that. Any question on that? Okay, are we okay with this?
On the second
Okay.
part, why don't
You have a
you
question,
switch?
anyone?
Yeah. Hello?
If you have to talk a little louder so we can hear you.
My
Who's
question
talking?
is on
Diamond?
Simon.
You're talking? You have
Yes.
to talk louder. I barely can hear you.
My question is on for the second part of the 6x minus 4 is greater than 2x. When you get the answer, how come you didn't switch it like you did for the x is less than or equal to 3? Why didn't it change? I mean, that's the part I don't get, the answer part. Here?
Are you talking about the direction of inequality you're talking about?
Yes, but for the second answer.
Right. Your question is why we changed the direction of inequality here, but we didn't do it here?
Yes.
Okay. You only change the direction of inequality if you divide or multiply by a negative number.
Okay.
If
Oh.
you're multiplying or dividing by a positive number, the direction of inequality stays the same.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
That's all.
Any
That
other
was my
question? Okay, good. Any other question, anyone? Okay, let's take a look at the next example.